Hey everybody, it is Monday. It is my day off. So what have I been doing today? Well, I've been running errands all day long. And now I'm going to come home and I'm going to cook dinner. I don't know whether y'all can tell or not, but one of the things I did today was dye my hair. And I dyed it the same color. I dye it every time for the last, I don't know how long, but it's the same color. But this box of dye I bought a very long time ago when it was on sale, and they have expiration dates on them. And I found out today that you pay attention to the expiration date, because my hair is like witchy woman black, and it is not usually. So whatever, if only it was the end of October instead of September. So what I have on my mind today is I'm going to tell on my kids a bit. Now, it's no secret that I think my boys are great. They work their butts off. They are pigs, but they have such good work ethic. But they will not get up when their alarm goes off. It rings and it rings and it rings, and they sleep through it. My youngest missed picking up a shift today at work, an extra shift today at work, because he slept through his phone ringing. Explain to me how this happens. I have never once slept through an alarm. I tried to explain to them today. They say, oh, well, they're just so tired from working, they don't hear the alarm go off. Like, I just spent the last 20 years waking up every time somebody breathed a little heavy. Don't tell me that it's impossible to wake up when your alarm's going off. Now, the oldest will let his alarm ring for hours on his iPhone. Do you all use your iPhone for your wake up alarm? I do. I hear it every time. I hear it even when the mute's on. So anyway, one of the errands that I had today was to buy this. An old-fashioned alarm clock. Who'd have thunk a digital alarm clock would be old-fashioned? But I got him this. We'll see how that goes. He's not going to like it. He's probably not even going to set it. But, you know, what can I say? I tried.